Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you use stars to organize Gmail messages. So let's start. All right, so here we can see that there is a star. So if we click on it, it is going to star a particular message. But here we can only use one star. However, it is possible to use multiple kinds of stars, and this is how we can do it. Let's click on the settings right here and go to see all settings. Now from here, from general tab, you can scroll down, and here under stars you can see different kind of stars that are not in use. Now you can customize the stars by dragging the stars up. Let's say let's drag this one. Okay, so say for example, I will just have these stars in here. Okay, so after that, you can scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, going back to your inbox, say for example, I want to star this one and I want to use a particular star or a different star. So all I have to do is click once, twice, three times, or four times to get a different kind of stars. So here I will star this with another one like so, or this one with this one. Okay, so now that you can use different stars for different messages, you can go to your starred folder here and you will see all the starred messages that you have. Now, if you want to see just a specific message with a specific star, you can hover to that star here and see the name. Here it says purple question. So if you want to see all your messages with a star of a purple question, what you can do is type here in the search bar, you can say as and colon, say purple question, and it is going to show messages that only has the purple question. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.